Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a Hyundai Genesis Coupe and I will show you how to remove and replace the battery. So to start, first lift the front hood, and the battery is located right here. Okay, so the battery is really accessible on these vehicles, so it takes like literally 5 minutes to replace it. Now the first thing you'll have to remove, there is a battery holder down here, which purpose is to hold the battery in place while you drive so it doesn't move. To remove the battery holder, there is one 13mm screw down here. So what you will need, a 13mm socket and extension to reach it down there. Okay, once you have removed this screw and the battery holder, now there is nothing else holding this battery, so it will be completely loose. So you probably noticed this is a different battery because I actually accidentally deleted the video I originally made, so I'm redoing this. So next thing to do, you just have to disconnect the battery terminals. Now you want to make sure always first to disconnect the negative battery terminal and then the positive one. When you are installing the new battery, always first connect the positive battery terminal and then the negative one. To remove the terminals, you will need a 10mm socket or a wrench key. Now you don't have to completely remove this nut, just enough so you can wiggle this wiring and remove it off the terminal. Now in some cases this can be pretty stuck on the terminals. Then what you want to do, you can try using a flat screwdriver just to pretty much try and pry it underneath to get it off easier. And if it's still not working out for you, you can also use a flat screwdriver. Just try to place it here between these openings and just tap it with a hammer on top of it, and that should loosen it up, and then slowly just wiggle this off. And now you can disconnect the positive one as well. And again, just wiggle it off, just like that. And the battery is ready to be removed. And once again, when connecting the new battery, make sure to first connect the positive and then the negative. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.